Hey guys, I'm on my third video today and I'm so happy. Just did a review on the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. If you're wondering what is on my brows, that review is up and I'll link it right up here. If you want, go watch it. If you're not, stay here. Make sure you subscribe though. Subscribe so we can, be friends, and link back up. I don't know what to call my little family here on YouTube, so leave a comment down below of any questions you have about the foundation and a name for you guys, because everybody has these cute names that they call you guys and I'm just like, what am I supposed to call you? Don't know. So I'm really excited, and me and Bae are about to go get some food. So let's just get right to this video before he pops up and ruins the whole video. You know, he might just do that because he be trying to catch me filming, but he never can. I know you too good, duh. Okay, so first, the primer. A matte primer that is a creamy face primer that provides smooth matte finish and leaves the skin ready for foundation. Why they love it: the ultra matte formula does not leave a white cast on deeper complexions, and you can perfectly pair it with the Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation. This retails for $13.99 in select stores. And it even comes with little directions on how you should apply it to your skin on the side of the box, which is really helpful. It says apply evenly over the skin, gently tap to set. Complete the look with our Can't Stop Won't Stop matte foundation. The sponge I'll be using today to apply my foundation, by the way, is the Ofra Powder Puff? No, the Ofra something puff sponge, something. It's from Ofra. I'll link it down below, and also you can use Ofra 30 for 30% off. So NYX come through with the sanitary packaging. I'm not trying to pour out too much because it seems like it's thick. Like I'm squeezing this bottle so hard. Okay, it is very thick. You see how thick that is? That is freaking thick. So I'm glad I didn't squeeze out too much. It says pat into the skin, so I'm just gonna massage it at first and then pat it. I'm gonna start with my T-zone area on my nose. Just trying to spread it around. And now we're gonna start patting. Okay, so you can definitely feel this on your skin. Like, this is not a lightweight primer. It's very heavy. It doesn't bother me, but I just wanted you guys to know just in case. And I honestly really only put primer like in my T-zone, under my eyes, my forehead, anywhere I have texture. This seems like a matte pore filling primer, to be honest. So we're just gonna close that back up. I'm just gonna put some more around my mouth and around my lips. I always put primer around my lips because of my scars. It fills in all like the creases and everything. Okay, so it's not tacky. It's very matte. I don't want to rub it because I feel like it's going to ball up. Let's just see. Yeah, it does ball up. It does ball up. I just did it on my hands. It balls up. So that's why they want you to pat it in. My skin feels very, very soft. Ooh, my skin looks really, really airbrushed too, to be honest. Okay. I see you, NYX. I see you. The foundation comes in a pump. The color looks amazing. This is the shade Buff. No, excuse me. This is the shade Beige. And it says about this foundation: a long-wearing waterproof liquid foundation that keeps the skin looking matte and flawless all day long, and they have 45 shades. Why they love it is for a foundation that provides so much coverage. The waterproof formula is shockingly lightweight and perfect for on the go. It delivers the goods minus the baggage. They're so freaking cute. And this is a collaboration with Alyssa Ashley, if I didn't say so. Let's just put this on my face so I can go eat. Okay, so this is about one pump. The pumps are very small, and I kind of like that. So I'm going to do what I usually do, like always, and just dab it all over my face. I'm so excited for this foundation. Like, the picture they released when they announced it was so satisfying. So this is about 2 pumps on my face. Pretty good. And we're just going to start blending it out. I haven't looked up close at it yet, so I'm going to save that for last. Ooh, it dries pretty fast, so I recommend putting it on by sections, but it's still blending out pretty well. I'm having to tug on my skin a little bit to blend all the dots out. It is a good color. It is a little bit on the yellow side because my skin's more neutral now, but I like it. I like this color. I really like either neutral or yellow. I really hate getting this sponge. This sponge sucks up so much foundation. That's the only downfall. I'm gonna take it on my eyelids and under my eyes just because I'm about to go eat somewhere. And I'm not ready to do my whole face yet. I'll do that when I come back. I really like this color. This color is pretty good and it blends out so well. I'm not gonna lie, like this was kind of easy to blend out. I'm just trying to make sure it's blended because my fault. I should have did it in sections, but I didn't. So it did dry on me somewhat. I'm gonna take some right directly on the sponge, just like that, just a tiny little pump, and just cover up anything that I missed. Let me find some. I've got on my nose, to my eyebrow, and my hairline. It builds up quite nicely too, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. It does have really good buildable coverage. It doesn't get cakey on you. So I wouldn't set this foundation. I really wouldn't. I really wouldn't. Like, it has like a nice glow. It looks so yellow, guys. But it has like a nice glow. It's not too matte, but it does set on its own, which I like when foundations do that, to be honest. It doesn't irritate my skin at all. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face, to be honest. So it is very lightweight. The coverage is about medium to full. I say it starts out medium, but it's buildable. And first impression is nice. I will put a pinned comment down below on how it wears because I do want to wear this a few times in a different like occasions, like maybe going to work, going out and about, being in Florida heat. Yeah, you know how that goes, foundation and Florida heat. So this is also waterproof, but I'm not going to test it out because yeah, I'm not that type of person. It has not creased under my eyes. I don't know why I'm still blending out, but it's pretty much set on my face. So this is a close-up of my face. You can really see it. I'll put the exposure down just a little bit for you guys so you can really see how airbrushed my skin looks. I know I have a hairy face, but it's like, peach fuzz because I have a lot of hair in my head. Just ignore that. And I'm too scared to shave the face, but yeah. Exposure is at 0. I had it at a little bit, like maybe like 0.25. But that's what my skin looks like. I think this is gonna be like my new go-to foundation, to be honest. Because matte foundations don't scare me like they do some people. I'm excited. I'm excited for this, you guys. Like, and the more it sets on my face, the more it's becoming like my skin color. Okay, guys, so my final thoughts on these. Okay, so starting with the primer, it is a little thick, and it's like I'm not used to tapping in my foundation primer. Like, I'm not used to that at all, but it did leave my skin airbrushed and matte. I'm not sure what it does long term, but I'll again leave a comment down below and pin it. And basically, I can see myself using this primer because I do go for matte primers, at least around my nose and like where I get oily. So this might come in handy for that. The foundation, I'm impressed. First impression, I feel like it will definitely be like one of my new favorites. You do get 1 fluid ounce, so it's regular. It's like the normal size. The foundation primer, you get 0.84 fluid ounces, so it's a little bit less than some of my other primers. But yeah, these two together really go good. They really did a good job making these two work together. I'm interested to see what this does under foundations that I use all the time, and I'm interested to see what this does over primers and powder, under powder. So I'm gonna be testing it. You'll see it in some videos probably. So make sure you stay tuned for all of that good stuff. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe before you leave because I'm watching y'all. Just know I'm watching you guys.